What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 30 of 30 Days of RV Tours. It's amazing that 30 days have already gone by, but we are here in Tampa, Florida for the Florida RV Super Show, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. It starts tomorrow, but today we are checking out the Brinkley Model Z 3100. Wait till you see this RV. It's great for couples. It's got a really great layout, and this is the final day of our 30 Days of RV Tour series, so let's get to it. Alright, so this is the Brinkley Model Z 3100. Before we tour this RV, let's take a look at the specs. So this RV has an unloaded vehicle weight of 11,923 pounds, a gross vehicle weight rating of 15,495 pounds, a hitch weight of 2,142 pounds, a total length of 34 feet 11 inches, and a total height of 13 feet 2 inches. Let's go ahead and start up front, and then we'll make our way around and head inside. So you've got your Kurt Helix pin box, which offers a really nice smooth ride, and then you've got your front storage bay. Now this right here is where some of your electrical components are, and this RV is prepped and wired for an onboard generator, which is a really nice feature to have. Heading over to the side, you've got LED lights underneath of the slide out, and then you've got your propane tank, and then over here is your pass-through storage. So this right here is a split baggage door. One side flips up and the other side opens to the side. Under here, you've got full pass-through storage aluminum frame, your leveling system, as well as your water controls. And then you have a hot water tank as well as your furnace exhaust, and then you've got your tank dumps, and then a sewage hose holder that holds 2 hoses. And then check out this, you've got a really nice suspension system as well as quality tires. And then you've got frameless windows on this RV. And then checking out the back of this RV, you've got an underbelly storage compartment on the very back. I absolutely love this. It's on almost every single Brinkley, if not all of them. But basically, it's just this storage space that's really great and maximizing every bit of unused space. And then you've got a trailer hitch on the back of this RV, as well as a solid ladder. And then you also have the Furrion backup camera. Heading to the campsite, you've got an awning on the slide out, as well as an awning up front. And then you've got the other pass-through storage bay door, as well as your propane tank. This RV has the really nice More Ride grab handle and solid steps. And you've got the Lippert screen defender as well as the screen assist. And this RV already comes with the Lippert thin shade. Alright, so let's go ahead and head inside of this RV. So when you first walk in, you've got a really nice living room and dining room and kitchen setup. So this right here is pretty much the same as the 2900. The only difference is the front bedroom and bathroom have a little bit of a different setup. But this right here is the dinette. Now, the last 3100 that I toured did not have this, so now we are finally able to see it. This right here is a really cool desk and dinette setup. And then over here you've got your theater seating with wireless charging and heat, and then you've got your tri-fold sofa with lots of cabinet space up above. And here on the back, you've got wraparound windows, and then over to the entertainment center, you've got your fireplace with this drop-down cabinet, and you've got the Rockford stereo system, which is now standard in all Brinkleys. And then you've got a televator for the TV that rises up, and then you have a shelf and some cabinet space up above. Over to the kitchen, you've got this large cabinet on each side of the residential microwave, and then below that you have the 3-burner cooktop and an oven. And then heading over to the island, you've got a large cabinet beneath the sink, as well as this pull-out drawer for your trash and recycling bin, and you have the signature Brinkley paper towel holder. And all of the cabinets and drawers are soft close on this RV. And then you've got a large farmhouse sink with a fancy sprayer faucet, and then you have 2 really nice pendants up above. Heading over to the refrigerator, this right here is a really large refrigerator, and then this right here is a little lock for travel mode. Alright, so the left side of this refrigerator is freezer, and then the right side is your fridge. Now, I want to point something out. The refrigerator is much wider than the freezer is, but overall it's still a good size. And then over to this coffee nook, you have a large pantry with tons of shelves, and one of the shelves has an outlet for a kitchen appliance. Then you've got lots of cabinet space and pull-out drawers, and solid surface countertops, as well as a light that sits directly under the upper cabinets that have quite a bit of space. Now let's head up front to check out the bedroom and the bathroom. So this bathroom is a really nice setup. You've got your toilet on one side, your vanity on the other, and your shower in the middle. So you've got some cabinet space alongside of the shower. And this right here is a really large shower. You've got your max air fan in the ceiling, and then you've got your controls over on the wall. You've got a towel holder, a medicine cabinet, some pull-out drawers in this vanity, as well as a cabinet underneath of the sink. Now let's head up to the front bedroom. So this right here can be closed off by this door, which is really nice. And then you've got a dresser with a slide open top. You've got a TV and a window across from the bed. And then you've got a washer and dryer prep in this closet, or this cabinet. And then next to this cabinet is the closet. So this is really nice to have this much space, especially if you do put the washer and dryer in, because you lose a lot of space there. And then you have a standard king size bed with the option of having a queen. And then you've got windows on each side of the slide out, as well as this little built-in cubby on the wall. Alright, so that is going to do it for the tour of this Brinkley Model Z 3100. I just want to say thank you so much for joining me for the past 30 days of these RV tours. There's so much more to come, and I will see you tomorrow at the Florida RV Super Show. It is the 40th anniversary, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.